Hey guys, again, I apologize that videos have been coming out very sporadic. Hoping to solve that problem. We're getting behind. We're really getting busy with mobile blasting, sandblasting. This winter, we worked through the winter. We got a trailer. I'll do a video later on of the new equipment we picked up this winter so that we could work during the winter. Did not want to take our good trailers out and the salt and everything up here in New England. Anyways, that being said, I have a lot of videos on standby. This video is actually from last summer, maybe towards May or June. We ended up doing a dump truck frame for a landscaping company. This is what I'm saying. It's just taking us so long to do this shit. But I have a little thing going on with editors. We have a few editors. This is being edited by Chris. His information or her information will be down in the description. All the editors we pick, of course, if you like the way they edit, if you like what they put into it, if you like the cuts, if you like any humor that they do. Just like I was dealing with one guy, and which you guys will see this if you haven't already, where I did like air quotes my wife as a boss, and they did like a zoom in. I thought that was kind of humorous. Like our description to them with editing, because we are on a budget, we don't make money off our channel. We don't do none of these side things to get paid for it or anything. We just do it for content for you guys, just for shits and giggles and for fun. So our thing is to tell them, just take out the raw space, just make it to where you guys can watch it. Hopefully they put a little of their touch into it and make it good, and do a little bit of humor here and there when you can, or some kind of animation or something. I'm fine with all that, but our basic thing is just try to keep the videos raw and not so refined like everybody else, where everything is so picture perfect and everything goes perfect, because that's not the powder coating world. So I want to keep that rawness to it, but I'm hoping that these editors can bring a touch to us. This person is named Chris. So right now we have dwindled down from 20 down to 4 on our last video, and now we're down to 2. This person is one of them, and then we have another person named Aaron that will be doing the next video, I believe. Honestly, these are being cut right now, so I don't know who's going to get theirs to me first, so I apologize. The other one will be Aaron. The video with Garrett, he has 2 videos that came out. He will not be moving forward with this little thing that we're doing. So keep an eye. If there's certain things that you guys like with these videos, let me know, because I am going to do, after I get the content in by both of them, I'm going to do a standalone video with you guys. And I just want your input on, or even now, like during the video, if there's things that you like or you enjoy seeing, or the way they did it, let me know, because that will just help me decide on who does what. So we did a lot of research. These guys are all talented, so we're lucky with that. But like I said, their information is down in the description. If their information isn't in the description, that's because apparently they didn't want me to give it to you guys, so I apologize for that. Please like and subscribe to our videos. Like I said, we don't make money. We bust our ass. It's hard for us to get a recording. It's taken out of our work to record, and it just makes things harder for us, but we try to do it just for you guys. Check out our Facebook and our website. Definitely show us a little love here. Like, subscribe, comment, please, especially about the editing. And we will see who will end up being the editor for Green Mountain Sandblasting and powder coating. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let me get your feedback, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
we're gonna be getting the faces the best we can in there.
Brother, you care about it has the regular preserve. Yeah.
Got some rubberized coating, 415 or something. We're gonna get down in there, get the whole back side, lay down this frame rail, same thing. It's all 415 or some rubber in the back. This will be off. Quality. We just measure like the length of the rear frame there, and this will be getting done. Thirteen and a half feet is what we'd be blasting here, because we can't get that last foot or so because of that. We may be hitting this. Sounds like he might get the steps off. We might be hitting this.
slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.